I'll put his hat back on.
He's bigger now, still be bigger later. I needed number 10.
So right here. So how are you, Mara?
Whoa!
Wow. Good job!
You!
What did he do?
He pooped, did you hear that?
Hi!
Just in time for Mara. I'm calling you out. Yeah.
Oh. Pete, you know how to change a diaper? No?
Oh my.
Ben?
Oh my.
That was pretty gross, wasn't it? He has no manners. Why didn't he go to the potty?
Should say excuse me after that happens.
Oh, look, he's opening his eyes.
I thought newborns.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, they can open
Yeah.
What woke you
They
up,
just
I
sleep.
wonder?
Yeah, so it seems like they
He's
can't.
looking. Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Who's your brothers?
They're the noisy ones you've been listening to all this time.
Stop yelling at my
Shh. Oh, no, guys. Look,
Oh.
why don't you talk to him? He's been waiting to meet you.
Hi.
He doesn't speak English, though.
I know. Maybe he can make some noises though.
Oh, he can make
He
some
can
noises.
scream like you would not believe. Oh my goodness.
But he doesn't unless he really needs to.
Yeah.
He's a nice guy.
Hi.
I like him. Good morning. Good morning, Sleepy. You gonna eat?
Should we change you maybe?
Oh, yes. Definitely that first. Yes, your mother should change you.
I'll do it. Would you get some wipes for me though?
Yeah, I'll get some wipes. Getting some really good video
Oh,
though
don't
right now.
scratch your face on me. Here, let's cover his hands back up. See how long his nails are? Yeah.
Yeah.
Really scratchy.
Hey, he's looking at you, Ben.
Oh, he's looking at you.
Why
Ben.
can't the doctors cut
Watch
it?
out.
Gotta be very careful.
Well, when they come out, they're real soft. Just like when you're in the tub for a long time, your nails get kind of soft, right?
Yeah, his nails are really, really soft, but then when he came out, they started getting hard pretty quick.
Yeah. We'll trim him soon. But right now, he's got this cool T-shirt. It covers his hands.
How do you? How do you?
How do you cut his nails?
Yeah.
Like I cut yours, just
I
very
meant-
carefully.
How do you
What?
cover his hand?
Oh, see? This little part
Little
folds
flaps.
over. It's like a little pocket. See? On the end of his sleeve. And then you just fold it over.
Oh, it's mine.
But watch when you do it because his fingers are really delicate and you
Yeah.
can't bend his fingers very much. Well, why don't I change him and you can eat?
Onto this thing.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully that closed off
I'll
so
change
no
it.
one
Are
can
you
walk.
sure?
Yeah.